Hello, I am Daniele Cleri, software architect at AAEON Europe. In this video, I'm going to introduce our new AppSquare V2 robotic starter kit. The purpose of this kit is to bridge the gap for ROS2 robot development. The kit includes a compute unit, AppSquare V2, an Intel RealSense D435i 3D camera, an Intel Wi-Fi module, a DC to DC converter, a USB to Type-C adapter, and cables. You can find more information in the link provided on the slide. The AppSquare V2 Robotic Starter Kit includes the necessary components to be integrated with the iRobot Create 3 educational robot, which can be purchased separately from approved resellers. You can find more information in the link provided. In order to start using the robot, it is necessary to integrate the various components included in the starter kit and the iRobot Create 3. We include documentation for assembly and also detailed instructions on the simple electrical wiring required. The compute unit AppSquare V2 comes pre-installed with the necessary software, Linux operating system, ROS2, and sample ROS2 applications with tutorials. A Wi-Fi access point is already set up for easy remote access from another device or laptop. A convenient web UI based on the open source software ROSboard starts automatically at boot and the robot is ready to be used. It is possible to interact directly with the robot via an optional joypad or switching to autonomous navigation. From the ROSboard UI, it is possible to follow the robot and see the information provided by the ROS2 topics. You can already buy our AppSquare V2 Robotic Starter Kit to develop your application following the Get Started guide from our GitHub page. Thanks for watching the video. If you need more information, you can visit our community at www.app-community.org.